Okay, Bryce, welcome back to the channel. A few jobs we're doing today on this trike build. As you can see, we've put some new pullback risers on there. We've got the throttle cable connected now. We're going to try and start it up today. I'm also going to be finishing removing the seat base there. And also, I replaced one of these calipers and I twisted the brake line cable. It was covered in a plastic shroud. I didn't realise it was proper brake line cable underneath, so I've got a new connector coming today. We're going to bodge fit that. Right, let's get on with it. Right, so there we have it, Bryce. That's the old seat base unit. And here's all the wiring. I don't know what this, I think this switch is just for the LEDs. I'm hoping so anyway. Which I'm not worried about the LEDs. So now the plan is, that's where the battery went originally, under the seat. I'm moving the battery back to the original spot where the battery goes, just by the offside front back wheel there. So we'll be doing that. This is one of those things, I don't really know what I can do next now. So I think I'm just going to pull, what's that connected to? Yeah, so we're going to have to get this base plate up, reroute the wires underneath, reroute the battery wire back to where the original battery went, and yeah, we'll do that. So I'll put you back over to you. I'm sorry about if it's funny lighting in here today. I've not got my generator switched on because it's sunny, it's dry, and I thought, well, what the hell. So bear with me. Okay, so we've rigged up a temporary fuel supply there. Probably see that better on the other camera. And so I've reconnected the battery, just trying to get the engine started, and it's not even turning over now. It was earlier. There's power going through to the back. Oh, it's not actually. Yeah. Dodgy earth, I don't know. Oh no, dodgy key switch. Yeah, so the starter's not working now. Right, the engine was turning over about 5 minutes ago, and the starter's just stopped. So I don't think it's the starter motor gone. It wouldn't be, because that wouldn't just go suddenly. And it wasn't fire. I don't know whether it wasn't firing or wasn't getting fuel. It should be getting fuel now. I've got a little fuel tank on it. I hooked it up, so there's fuel getting through to the carb. There we go. All right, I'm going to keep fannying about with this and see where we get. Right, let's try again. spray a bit of carb cleaner into the carb, see if we can bump it that way, get it started that way. Just feels like it's not firing. Let's give that a go. See, it's something sounding like it's not seized, but right now it won't. There we go. Now it just won't turn over again. Now when I'm turning the kill switch, there's definitely power going through to the back, so I can hear it clicking. Hang on, I've not got lights there now. Oh. Come on, engine. Ooh. That's almost sounding electrical as well. I have to strip the engine down again and investigate. Right, I'm pissed off with this now. Engine won't even turn over now, so right, so we'll have to do a complete strip down of that engine again. I don't know if it's the electrics or what it is. So next job today, I've got to measure where the seat's going, the height and the distance back. I've got these risers on now, so that'll give me the right riding position. So I'll crack on and do that. Okay, and in true fashion of this build, I've just measured exactly where the seat's got to go, and I don't have a pen to write any measurements down, so it's about right, isn't it, really? Right, I'm going to leave it there today. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll be able to get that engine started next week, and do subscribe if you want to see more of this sort of chaos and disorganized shit, which is what it is. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra.